Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two VPN platforms, which is ExpressVPN and Hotspot Shield. In 2025, ExpressVPN and Hotspot Shield offer a strong VPN service, but they cater to different users. ExpressVPN focus on privacy using strong encryption, RAM-only server, which don't store data. Its own fast and secure protocol called Lightweight. It's based in the British and has a strict no-log policy and offer a praise for working well with a stream service and having a easy-to-use app. Talking about Hotspot Shield, on the other hand, is known for speed thanks to its Hydra protocol, making it a great for streaming and gaming. It's more affordable and even offer a free version with limit, but it based in the US, which has less favorable privacy law. While it has fast and reliable, it does collect some data for performance and troubleshooting, which may not appeal to privacy-focused user. And here's the conclusion. We chose ExpressVPN if privacy and strong security are your top priority, but go with Hotspot Shield if you want high-speed, budget-friendly option and don't mind a bit less privacy. And that's it.